Alright, so one of the first things that we want to do, I know my computer screen's hard to see, we're going to go to makecode.com, and I have the link on the course website, but you're going to see a variety of different options. We got the microbit, we got Minecraft, we got the circuit playground, there's all these amazing things. This is why I prefer to use MakeCode, because you can teach one platform to your kids, and now they're able to write coding in Minecraft or the microbit or Lego EV3 or the Q robots, or more and more things are popping up on this platform. So we're going to click the Circuit Playground Express, and we're going to go here, and we're just going to click on New Projects, even though there are a bunch of tutorials already. And we're going to go ahead and click here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and plug in our USB into our computer. And then we are going to power up our Circuit Playground. So go ahead and plug this in here. Now, if this is your first time using the Circuit Playground, yours is actually, it's going to light up and it's going to be beeping and making noise, and there's a default program that just lets you know that it's working. And so what you're going to want to do, if it's your first time, is right here on this reset button, right there in the middle, you're going to hold that down. And then when it reboots itself, you should have some green lights here that'll pop up. And there we go. So now I know it's green. I know I'm in good shape. You might have some things that pop up on your screen at this point. Just go ahead and say OK, and we're going to be able to rock and roll. So now that we have it going, let's go ahead and jump into the code to see how it works. Okay, so in this code here, when we go to load up on makecode.com and we click on the Circuit Playground Express, we're going to get to this screen right here. What we've got over here is a simulator, so you don't even need the Circuit Playground to see how your code's going to work. It'll simulate it right over here. This is our programming platform, and then this is where all our blocks are. And you can search for items in here once you get going. But it always starts with this forever block, so let's go ahead and just bring this over here so you get used to learning how to delete blocks. You can just drag right over here and it's gone. And we're going to go down here to the loops, and let's just bring over the start block. And then we're going to click here to light, and let's just drag this one right here, the show ring. And for now, why don't you just go ahead and create a design. So I'm just going to create lights of 2, just because it's quick and easy. And you can do whatever you want, but just make it simple so you understand how it works. So here's my ring of LEDs on the start. You can see over here then what my LED lights look like on the Circuit Playground. So I'm just going to name this LED test. I'm going to save the name, and now we're going to go ahead and download it. So when I hit download, you're going to see that the download is complete. It's going to walk you through those steps, as you can see right there, and it tells you to plug it in, press the reset button. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I'm going to hold this reset button down. Okay, and then we're going to drag the file right to where we need to go. So I'm on a Mac here, so I'm just going to go, I like to go show in Finder. I'm just going to pop that up. I see my Circuit Playground right here over in devices. Alright, so when I go back over here to my downloads, I'm just going to drag that over. And it's going to boot. You're going to be able to see it kind of flickering here. And then look at it, because it's an easy program, it's already lighting up, showing my lights. That's as simple as it gets. So there is the first way just to see how the MakeCode programming works, getting some LED lights. So go ahead and mess around with that and see what you can do there.